Hey guys, it's Hockey Bros John here for a quick little vlog, if you'd even call it that. Today I'm in Downtown Huntington Beach. One of the things that we've done on this channel in the past on the vlogs, like a long time ago, was take you guys to the famous surfing competition, the US Open of Surfing in town, and I'm here to return there and show you guys what's going on. Guys, got free hot dogs here at the US Open of Surfing. Just gonna sit down and eat and then go check out the sand.
50 seconds on the clock. What's that, brother?
Yeah, I was gonna say, well, Hurricane Frank, like it definitely just a tropical storm now, but and kind of fizzled out. But
hey guys, it's now time for the official video recap. Sit back, relax, enjoy the views and the music.
Needing a score, nice drawn out bottom turn, slashes it off the top, and he'll kick out.
Hey guys, it's the Hockey Bros. Hope you guys enjoyed the US Open of Surfing recap, vlog, video, whatever you want to call it. Of course, we're the Hockey Bros, so, I mean, reporting to you from an ice rink. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of the perfect outro to a day of surfing. Thank you guys for watching again. Hope to see you in the next one, and that is how you do it, Hockey Bros style.